Ever pondered over what would be your only source of food and medicine if the world were to descend into an apocalypse tomorrow? Believe it or not, the answer might be under a fallen log or in your backyard. Mushrooms, a source of sustenance, a medical remedy, and even a means of purifying water. These humble fungi could be the key to survival in a post-apocalyptic world. Think about it. Mushrooms grow in a variety of environments, are renewable, and require minimal care and resources. They can be a reliable source of food when other options become scarce. Certain varieties like shiitake and maitake are not only edible but also packed with essential nutrients. They provide proteins, vitamins, and minerals that are crucial to maintaining good health in a survival scenario. But the utility of mushrooms extends well beyond their nutritional value. Remarkably, they also offer medicinal benefits. For instance, turkey tail mushrooms are known to boost the immune system, helping the body to fight off infections and diseases. Reishi mushrooms, on the other hand, are used to reduce stress and improve sleep. Two things that would surely be in short supply in an apocalyptic situation. Not only that, mushrooms can play a vital role in purifying water. That's right, certain types of fungi, like the oyster mushroom, can filter out harmful bacteria and pollutants from water, making it safe to drink. This could be a game changer in a world where clean drinking water might be a luxury. Moreover, mushrooms can be used to create fire. The tinder fungus, aptly named, is capable of catching a spark and keeping it smoldering for a long duration. It can be used to transport fire or start a new one, a skill that could be invaluable when braving the harsh conditions of an apocalypse. To sum up, mushrooms could be your best ally in a post-apocalyptic scenario. They can provide nourishment, boost your immune system, purify water, and even help to create fire. But remember, not all mushrooms are created equal. Some are poisonous, so it's important to know how to identify the beneficial ones. So, as we navigate through our everyday lives, it might not hurt to give these humble fungi a second look. After all, they could be the lifeline we need if the world were to take a turn for the worse. In the face of an apocalypse, the mushroom might just be the unsung hero of survival.